Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix Netflix download not working. If Netflix downloads are not working, first check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works better. If not, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection so your app operates smoothly. Downloads work the best on a stable Wi-Fi. Next, make sure the movie or the show support downloads. After that, not all Netflix content is available for offline viewing. Check your phone storage and space. Go to settings, general, then iPhone storage, or you can search it directly. Check if you have enough storage, sufficient storage or not. After that, you're going to go ahead and open your app store, search for Netflix, and then update your app to the latest version. Older versions may have download related bugs, so once you update it, the bugs will be fixed and you'll have all the newest files and latest version. If downloads fail still, log out of Netflix and then log back in. This refreshes your account connection and fixes download issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.